Okay, good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to continue the discussion about the law of interaction. We are now in day 3 applications of the law of interaction in real life. Objectives: explain how interaction forces affect motion in real life situations. Develop interest in observing interaction forces in daily life and present group demonstration of real life interaction forces. Okay, for motivational activity, the balloon rocket race. Okay, divide the class into groups. Give each group a balloon. Inflate the balloon and release it. Do not tie it. Observe the direction of the balloon and the escaping air. Why did the balloon move? So the escaping air pushed backward, causing the balloon to move forward. Okay, what is the action force? Okay, the air pushing backward, that is the action force. What is the reaction force? The balloon moving forward. Imagine a rocket launching into space. When gas is released downward from the rocket engine, the rocket moves upward. The explanation: gas exerts force downward, or that is the action. And then the reaction: the rocket experiences upward reaction force, that is the reaction. This concept is based on the law introduced by Isaac Newton. Okay, applications of the law of interaction in real life. Number 1, jumping. Ayan o, kung titingnan ninyo, okay, a person pushes the ground downward, the ground pushes the person upward. So, tumatalon tayo, yung pwersa natin, idiniin natin doon. The more force na in-apply natin, mas mataas yung magiging talon natin. Okay, this upward reaction force allows the person to jump. Okay, rowing a boat. The paddle pushes the water backward, and then the water pushes the boat forward. So this interaction makes the boat move. Car tires on the road. Or the action, tire pushes road. And then the reaction, the road pushes tire. Okay, the tires push the road backward, the road pushes the car forward. This forward force moves the car. Okay, another one, the hammer in nail. The action, the force of hammer on nail. And then the force of nail on hammer. So, kumbaga ay, kung gaano kalakas yung pinukpok yung pako, ganoon din kalakas yung return or the reaction force by the nail. The hammer pushes the nail inward, the nail pushes back on the hammer. The nail moves into the wood because of this force interaction. Okay, the bouncing ball. Okay, the ball pushes the floor downward when it hits. The floor pushes the ball upward. So the ball bounces because of the upward reaction force from the floor. Okay, the bird flying. The flying of birds, wings push air downward while the air push the wings upward. Ayan. The air pushes the bird upward. This upward force helps the bird stay in the air. Okay, important ideas to emphasize. Number 1, interaction forces are equal in magnitude. Pag sinabing magnitude, yung lakas. Kung gaano in-apply mo, yun din ang reaction sa'yo. Kagaya ng sa wall, pag tinulak mo ng mahina ang wall, hina lang ang atras mo. Pero pag nilakasan mo, mas malakas yung pag-atras mo. So that is equal in a magnitude or amount. They act in opposite direction. Yan, exactly in opposite direction. They occur at the same time. They act on different objects. Itong limang ito. These forces explain motion in sports, transportation, and daily life. Okay, for motivational, for activity, instruction, form a group and choose one example of interaction force to demonstrate. Perform your chosen demonstration. Make sure all members participate and present your output in class. Always observe safety while doing the activity. Okay, ito yung rubric doon sa gagawin ninyong activity.